Austin Lounge Blizzard.
Thank you.
Thank you, Maria.
It's tango time.
Yes. All for all you tangoistas.
We broke up long ago, but time is not passing for me. You live in apartment 3A, I exist in apartment 3B. Whiskey helps me get through, I guess I've had quite a few. But now I'm awakening to strange noises in the dark. No, my ears don't deceive. Your bed springs are singing their song. No, I must not believe that your voice I hear screaming along. I'm glued to my spot. In this cruel trap I am caught. You're really making a lot of strange noises in the dark. Synchronized groaning. Was it he who kept phoning while I was begging you to stay? Shocking, my whole world is rocking. That's why I am knocking on your front door to say, darling, please let me in. I admit I was partly to blame. I won't be a screw-up again. At least won't you tell me his name? No, I won't throw a fit. I just want to talk for a bit. Could you and your friend maybe quit those strange noises in the dark? Shrieking, and still that rhythmic creaking sounds like you are peeking in ways I've never heard before. Crying and piteous sighing, new ways I am trying to get inside your door. Now in this place I must stay. The nice policeman, he gave me a choice. He could lead me away, or leave me to live with the sound of your voice. So I lie in this cell, in my orange jumpsuit in hell. But here they haunt me as well. Strange noises in the dark. Strange noises in the dark. Strange noises in the dark.